Hello, my wonderful students. My name is Mariatu Sise, or you can call me Mrs. Sise, and I'm the teacher who will talk to you on the radio. I wish I could see you in person, but I know you will listen carefully and you will do your best. My first question is for my friend. Peter, do you know why school is closed now?
Yes, ma. Right now, all over the world, there is a sickness catching many people called the coronavirus. Just like during Ebola time, we need to protect ourselves. This is why we aren't in school right now.
How do you catch the sickness, Shola?
Well, the sickness can spread from person to person when you get too close to them and they cough or sneeze near you. If someone forgets to wash the germs off their hands, the soap and water, and then shake your hand, they can give you the sickness. Right now, the government wants to protect us, so they told us all to stay home for a little while. By staying home, we are being heroes in the fight against corona.
Peter, how do we prevent the sickness?
When we wash our hands with soap and water, we can help protect ourselves from getting all types of illnesses. Make sure to wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds.
Peter, do you know why you get to learn through the radio?
No.
How about you, Shola?
Why is that?
Well, because you have a right to education. RIGHT. Right. You can write that in your copybook. Right. Do you know what a right is?
No. What is a right?
A right is something that every person should have, no matter what, whether you are a boy or girl, adult or child, Muslim or Christian. Every person deserves certain things.
You mean every person, no matter what, even children have rights?
Every single person, especially children, even right now, when you don't have this chance to sit in your classroom, it is important that you keep learning.
Who decided that children could have this right?
Great question! About 30 years ago, 140 countries in the United Nations had a big meeting and decided that children should have certain things in order to have a good life. They call this new law the rights of the child. Can you guess what types of things all of these countries decided children deserve?
Food, water, a place to live.
Exactly. You have a right to all of those things because you are a child. Another one of those things is education. That is why you are learning on the radio right now. Even in times like this, when we can't go to school, all children have a right to still learn. Adults, are you hearing it? When the radio lesson is on, it is your child's right to listen and learn. Now it is time for our lesson. Today is our first reading session together. I am feeling excited because I know we will do lots of fun activities. How are you feeling today? We have 5 fun activities to do today. Number 1, we'll do an activity called sentence warm-up. Number 2, we'll do an activity called brilliant blending. Number 3, we'll do an activity called listen and write. Number 4, we'll do an activity called sentence scramble. Number 5, we'll do an activity called read aloud. Let's have a great class together. Sentence warm-up. Today our practice sentence is: natural resources are found in nature. You will listen while I say the sentences 2 times. Then I'll let you when it is time for us to read the sentences together. Ready? Listen first. Natural resources are found in nature. Natural resources are found in nature. Okay, when I say your turn, then you can all say it together with me. Ready? Your turn.
Natural resources are found in nature.
One more time.
Natural resources are found in nature.
Very good. When I hear the sentence, natural resources are found in nature, I think about all the things that come from nature, like forests, water, minerals, and crops. It is different from things that are man-made, like clothes or buildings. I want to think about how you will do a drama for the sentence, natural resources are found in nature. Will you pretend to be a tree or a mountain? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about how you will do a drama to show the sentence. Natural resources are found in nature. I hope you have your drama idea ready. Now, I'll say the sentence and you will do your drama. Ready? Wow! The students here with me did a wonderful drama. I wish I could see your beautiful drama at home too. I am sure you did a great job. Now, I have some questions for you. When I ask the question, if the answer is yes, stand up. If the answer is no, sit down. If the answer is yes, stand up. If the answer is no, sit down. Let's begin. First question. Is music a natural resource? Next question. Is rubber a natural resource? Next question. Is a truck a natural resource? Next question. Is iron ore a natural resource? Wonderful job answering those questions. Now it is time for brilliant blending. Are you ready? At the beginning of a word, sometimes we have one sound and sometimes we have 2 sounds. Today we will practice some words that have 2 sounds at the beginning of the word. Number 1. First, you will listen. K, a, b, crab. At the beginning, we have 2 sounds, k and that makes k. K, a, b, crab. K, a, b, crab. Now you will try. Ready? Your turn.
K, a, b, crab.
Again.
K, a, b, crab.
Number 2. First, you will listen. P, a, d, prod. P, a, d, prod. At the beginning, we have 2 sounds, p and that makes pr. Now you can try. Ready? Your turn.
P, a, d, prod.
Again.
P, a, d, prod.
Number 3. You will listen. Br, a, g, brag. Br, a, g, brag. In br, we have 2 sounds, b and that makes br. Br, a, g, brag. Br, a, g, brag. Now you can try. Ready? Your turn.
Brag. Brag.
Again.
Brag. Brag.
Number 4. First, you will listen. Frog. Frog. In frog, you have 2 sounds. F and that makes frog. 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 Now you can try. Ready? Your turn.
Frog.
Again.
Frog.
Number 5. First, you will listen. Crack. Crack. In k, we have 2 sounds. K and that make k. Crack. Crack. Now you can try. Ready? Your turn.
Crack.
Again.
Crack.
Listen. P. Trip. Trip. In trip, you will have 2 sounds. T and that make trip. 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 Now you can try. Ready? Your turn.
Trip.
Again.
Trip.
Working very hard. Let's do a small brain break to celebrate. We'll do a breathing exercise. Please stand up. Now breathe in and raise your hand above your head. Pause. Breathe out and put your hands down. Again, breathe in and raise your hands above your head. Pause. Breathe out and put your hands down. Last time. Breathe in. Raise your hands above your head. Pause. Breathe out and put your hands down. Well done. Are you ready to do listen and write? Please take out your notebook and pencil and get ready to listen carefully. I will say a word and I want you to write it. Number 1, write the word crab. Crab. Number 2, write the word prod. Prod. Number 3, write the word brag. Brag. Number 4, write the word frog. Frog. Number 5, write the word crack. Crack. Number 6, write the word trip. Trip. Good job. Now we are going to check and see if you wrote your words correctly. Ready? Number 1. Crab has the sound k-a-b and it is spelled C-R-A-B. Number 2. Prod has the sounds p-o-d and it is spelled P-R-O-D. Number 3. Brag has the sounds b-a-g and it is spelled B-R-A-G. Number 4. Frog has the sounds f-o-g and it is spelled F-R-O-G. Number 5. Crack has the sounds k-a-k and it is spelled C-R-A-C-K. Number 6. Trip has the sounds tr, p, and it is spelled T-R-I-P. Great job! Now we go to sentence scramble. Are you ready for sentence scramble? I'll give you some words and you have to rearrange them in a sentence that makes sense. Ready? Write these words. Ran, the, frog, toe, the, rock, and crab. You should have 8 words written. Again, the words are ran, the, frog, toe, the, rock, and crab. Now, take 1 minute to organize those words into a sentence that makes sense. I'll give you 1 minute to work on it. Keep trying. I know you can do it. Just do your best. You have 30 seconds more. Continue to work hard. Okay, time is up. Now let's try to make a sentence together. First, I'm going to look for the verb. The verb is the action word. Can you find the action word?
Yes, the verb is ran. That is the past tense of the verb run.
Yes, the frog and crab are both things that can run, but both of them can be the subject of the sentence.
My sentence will start like this. The crab and frog ran. The other words will tell us where the crab and frog ran. So the final sentence will be, the crab and frog ran to the rock. Let's read it together. Ready? Your turn.
The crab and frog ran to the rock.
Again.
The crab and frog ran to the rock.
Remember, when we write a sentence, the first word should start with a capital letter and the end of the sentence should have punctuation. This is a statement, so please put a full stop at the end. Now I am going to read you a passage about natural resources. This text comes from the Accelerated Quality Education Level 2 Teacher Guide and Learner Workbook series by USAID and the Ministry of Education. It will talk about one specific example of a natural resource. Listen carefully. We will talk about it later. Let's begin. Natural resources are materials and minerals that are found in nature. They are not made by human beings, but they can be used by human beings. Among many resources are our rainforest. A rainforest is a forest that is green all year. It is called a rainforest because of the high amount of rainfall it gets in a year. The rainforest gives us many riches. Certain medicines are made from plants that grow in the rainforest. Many special animals also live there, such as elephant, chimpanzee, the pygmy hippopotamus, antelopes, and many birds. Now question. What color is a rainforest all year round?
Green.
What things can we find in the rainforest?
We can find special animals. We can also find plants that are used for medicine.
Thank you. Now I have an assignment for you. I want you to listen to these 2 questions and write your answers in your notebook. We'll discuss your answers again in our next lesson. Number 1. What are the reasons we should cut down rainforest? Number 1. What are the reasons we should cut down rainforest? Number 2. What are the reasons we should not cut down rainforest? Number 2. What are the reasons we should not cut down rainforest? Remember to complete this assignment before the next lesson. Now let's do a quick recap. Okay? Today we practice the sentence, natural resources are found in nature. We talked about rainforest, water, minerals, and crops. We practice blending sounds to read and write the words. Crab, prod, brag, frog, crack, and trip. And we practiced arranging words to write a sentence. Last, we read and discussed the passage about natural resources.